Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. Hi, Tam. Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah,
All right. How are you today?
yes, I'm fine.
You're fine.
Very happy.
Oh, really? Why are you happy today?
Yeah, uh, in afternoon,
Mm-hmm.
I go to a bookstore with
Mm-hmm.
my friend.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm. And then you bought some books?
yeah,
Oh, wow. What books?
and,
And yes.
and uh, and today is my is is birthday, my friend.
Oh, today is your friend's
Yeah,
birthday. Ah, wow. Mm-hmm. So you had a party.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right. So how many books did you buy?
I don't buy book. I
Ah.
buy school supplies.
So I bought some school
Yes,
supplies from the
yeah.
bookstore. Okay. Or at the bookstore. Okay, what school supplies did you buy?
Uh,
Pens, notebooks?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Pen color, pen color.
Color pens. Color
Yeah,
pens.
color pen.
Mm-hmm. Oh, nice. I like color pens. Oh, how have you tried? I want to show you something. I found a very nice color pen. You tried to use this one. Wait a minute. I have um a recommendation. I have a recommendation. I
Okay.
found a very nice color pen online. Yeah, here
Yeah.
you want to maybe you can find it too. It's called it's called acrylic marker. Yeah, acrylic marker. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, have you tried it? Have you tried it? Have you tried it?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
My friend.
So you also use it. It's very nice. Is that what you bought?
Yeah.
Is that what you bought?
Now
No.
it's my friend.
Your friend. So acrylic markers. You try it. It's very nice. The colors are really nice. Acrylic markers. Yeah, try it. Looks like this. They have
Oh,
you have it has different brands, but it has different brands, but the color and the output is very nice. Do you have acrylic
yeah.
markers? Do you have this? No?
Now is
Yeah,
the
try it. You buy this and if you like drawing, if you like drawing and coloring, this is really nice. It's like a painting if you finish. Yeah, it's like a painting if you finish. It's like a watercolor and paint. Watercolor and paint. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Have you tried? Have you tried this? Acrylic markers art. I'll show you. Yeah, it will look like this. Acrylic markers. Look at that. They use acrylic marker to draw this, right? It's very pretty, right? Let me find
yeah,
other things here. Oh, this one, acrylic paint, acrylic marker. Yeah, acrylic paint pen. Look at that. So pretty,
yeah,
right? Oh, wow, this one too. So pretty. It's like you painted with watercolor or paint. Look at this. Oh, wow. Very nice. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you try it. Okay, so what did you do at your friend's birthday party? What did you do at your friend's birthday party? Yeah.
What?
What did you do at your friend's birthday party? Did you go to your friend's
Um,
house?
yes, how
Mm-hmm.
friends, we eat,
You ate?
uh, eat
Mm-hmm.
and sing,
You ate and sing.
uh,
Okay, you sing happy birthday.
yeah,
Yeah, what did you eat? What did you eat?
mm, cake,
Mm-hmm.
cake and candy,
Cake and candies. Oh, wow.
uh,
Sweets.
soda,
Soda.
soda, yeah,
And what?
mm, mm, yeah,
Mm-hmm. So you ate sweets, cake, candies, and soda. Oh, oh no. Oh my gosh.